Hello, this is Russ with ProSteamUK. Today we're cleaning some Wesley barrel upholstery. This dates back to 2006, and the fabric is made of 48% cotton, 36% viscose and 16% nylon. So great care needs to be taken when cleaning natural fibre. This particular two-seater we have just finished, and it's just drying out now. We use a special product which contains a solvent, so it's a cross basically between wet cleaning and dry cleaning, and this allows the fabric to dry very, very quickly. And so we're going to do this armchair next. As you can see, the arm is quite soiled. Okay, so we've got another two-seater here. So what we're going to do, we're going to clean this and just remember how that looked. Okay, and we're going to clean this now, and we're going to come back to this, and you'll be able to see some terrific results. We are back, and here you are. This is the same chair, and we have cleaned it, and it's still drying out. There's still a few patches here where it's still a bit damp, but it is drying out. And so there you have it. So we've successfully cleaned this suite. Like I said, it had a blend of cotton, viscose and nylon, and people that you'll find that a lot of carpet cleaners that aren't trained or confident in cleaning natural fibres, fabrics such as viscose and cotton, you will find that they will shy away from taking on work like this. Okay, so it's very important to make sure you book the right person, because you'll only get one chance to book somebody who isn't qualified and trained, because it only takes one clean to ruin the entire furniture. So just bear that in mind. And if you are looking to have your furniture professionally cleaned, contact ProSteamUK today on www.prosteamuk.com. Thank you very much.